In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach cloud files in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share files from the cloud so your recipients always have the latest version without clogging inboxes with large attachments. Start by opening Outlook and creating a fresh message. Click New Email to bring up a blank email window. This gives you the usual fields to fill in later, but for now, we'll focus on adding the file from the cloud. Next, click Attach File. This is the command that controls what you add to your message. Instead of attaching a traditional copy from your computer, we're going to point Outlook to your cloud storage. So in the attachment options, select Browse Web Locations. This tells Outlook you want to look in an online storage service rather than your local drive. From the list of services, choose OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage, and it integrates smoothly with Outlook. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into Outlook with the account that has access to your OneDrive. Once you're in OneDrive, navigate to the file you want to share. You can open folders just like you would on your computer. Select your file so it's highlighted and ready to go. Now click Insert. Outlook will place the item into your email, but here's the key difference. Outlook inserts a cloud link, not a file copy. That means your message includes a link to the file stored in OneDrive instead of uploading a separate attachment. The benefit is huge. The file stays in one place, remains lightweight for email, and if you update it later in OneDrive, recipients will see the latest version when they open the link. When the link appears in your message, you can type your email as usual around it. The link may show the file name and a cloud icon, making it clear it's coming from OneDrive. Your organization's default sharing settings usually apply, so most colleagues with access will be able to open it right away. If someone can't open the link, it typically means permission needs to be adjusted in OneDrive, not in the email itself. That's all there is to it. Create the message, attach from web locations, choose OneDrive, pick your file, and insert. You get a clean email, recipients get a reliable link, and everyone avoids bulky attachments. Send with confidence knowing your shared content stays current and easy to access.